Dressed in jungle and rainforest from head to toe, the landscapes in Saint Lucia are amongst some of the most celebrated in the Caribbean. With its beautiful beaches, perfect weather, vibrant culture, amazing tropical forests, and laid-back vibes, Saint Lucia is a vacationer's dream. Whether you want to explore the world's only drive in a volcano, climb the world-famous Pitons, or choose from a plethora of beaches, there's no short supply of things to do here. Number 7. Climb the Gros Piton. No trip to beautiful Saint Lucia could possibly be complete without at least a short journey to spy out the most recognizable and iconic heritage site on the island. The striking duo of the Pitons are seen soaring like spearheads from the rollers of the ocean. Climbing the Pitons ranks high on the to-do list of many visitors to Saint Lucia. You'll find stunning views at the top and an opportunity to rest up before heading back down. If you are feeling like pulling yourself away from your luxury resort, a hike up the Gros Piton trail will certainly get your heart pounding. The climb is steep and takes approximately 4 to 5 hours. It is a challenge to step over boulders and routes, but it is worth it for the views from the 798.25 meters high summit. If you'd like to hike with a local guide who will show you all the most scenic spots and even take you through some fishing villages. Number 6. Snorkeling and scuba diving at Anse, Chastanet, and Fairyland. There are 22 world-class diving sites in Saint Lucia, boasting a veritable treasure trove of aquatic wonders and colorful marine life. Anse Chastanet dive site is said to have the most species of fish of all the dive sites in Saint Lucia. It's an easy shore dive that's been listed as one of the best dive sites in the Caribbean, especially because it makes a great night dive. The depths range from 2 meters to over 30 meters, and you'll find both soft coral and hard boulder corals of different species here. Turtles, hairy clinging and channel clinging crabs, nurse sharks, horse eyejacks, and many more can be found here. Anse Chastanet is located inside SMMA's Marine Reserve. That makes the coral and marine life here better preserved than at some other dive sites. Number 5. Wander through Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens. One of the most beautiful attractions in Saint Lucia is the Botanical Garden. Take a guided tour of this picturesque estate containing tropical plants and gardens. The guide navigates through the walk teaching of the island's healing plants and native flora. The Botanical Gardens are part of the Sulphur estate, one of the oldest and best preserved estates on Saint Lucia. The flowers and plants on display were beautiful, providing a refreshing view for a walk. A highlight of the gardens is a view of Diamond Falls. The gorgeous Diamond Waterfall, a 15-meter high cascade, is laced with minerals creating a rainbow of colors. It creates a picture-perfect scene. In fact, Diamond Falls is so picturesque, it was used for a scene in the popular travel movie, Romancing the Stone. The gardens sit at the edge of Sulphur Springs Park, and the rich volcanic soil nourishes an incredible collection of tropical plants and flowers. Number 4. Get the heart thumping at the Treetop Adventure Park. When you've had enough of kicking back on the sunny sands of Sulphur and Gros Islet, be sure to make a beeline for this adrenaline-thumping attraction close to the historic town of Dennery Quarter on the East Coast. Treetop Adventure Park is a one-of-kind outdoor adventure-themed park located in the heart of Saint Lucia's rainforest. New canopy walkways have been installed and give you a new look at the beautiful forest from above. Bird feeders are regularly replenished, attracting gorgeous and colorful birds, among them many hummingbirds. Beautiful plants, flowers, and trees keep getting the attention they deserve. The self-proclaimed Treetop Adventure involves a series of speedy zip lines that crisscross through the forest canopy. You can fly through the treetops on a world-class zip line that offers the highest, longest, and fastest lines in Saint Lucia. If you're brave enough to look down, you'll be able to spot the wild undergrowth below, along with colorful tropical birds flitting through the boughs close by. Number 3. Explore the rainforest hiking trails. The unspoiled natural beauty of Saint Lucia offers ample opportunities for hiking excursions. The Helm of the West is a volcanic island with a mountainous southern region, an abundance of waterfalls, and verdant rainforests to traverse. Pigeon Island National Park has a trail that is well marked, and it's an easy walk on a stone path that eventually leads to some steps to the first lookout point. The Mount Pimard Trail is an out-and-back trail that starts off with a wide straight path that leads to the Pebble Beach, where you'll meet fishing enthusiasts. At the peak are sweeping views of Rodney Bay, Pigeon Island, and even the famed Pitons. The circular Tet Paul Nature Trail in Sulphur is perfect for all ages and fitness levels. A leisurely walk up a winding staircase provides spectacular views of the Pitons. Depending on the time of year, you might be able to sample some of the local fruits in season like guava, avocado, and soursop. As you hike through the nature reserve, you'll also encounter traditional and medicinal plants. Number 2. Wander at the Sulphur Springs and go on helicopter tour. Did you know that Saint Lucia has the only drive-in volcano in the world? A visit to Mount Sulphur Springs Park is the top tourist attraction in Saint Lucia, and with good reason. The active volcano is fascinating as you can drive right into the crater to see up close and personal views of gas emitting from the center of the earth. The sulfur springs spew steam out of the caldera as mud boils in the crater below and the smell of sulfur looms in the air. It offers breathtaking views of the inland jungles and the coast. A trip to Sulphur's volcano will find bubbling hot springs, a waterfall, and a mud bath. Make sure to take a guided tour to learn of the last eruption and to take a walk along the boardwalk for better views. Much of St. Lucia is mountainous and covered in thick rainforest, so taking to the air is the only way to get a complete image of its delightful landscape. This beautiful Caribbean island is famed for sun-toasted beaches, lush landscapes crowned by the towering twin Pitons, which can be viewed in helicopter tour. It's possible to take short helicopter tours over the north or the south, or to combine the two in a longer flight. From takeoff, your pilot will provide a fascinating commentary, not just pointing out geographical features such as villages, waterfalls, and offshore reefs, but also sharing facts about historical events, resident celebrities and their homes, and the island economy. Number 1. Splash Island Water Park. The perfect choice for travelers with kids in tow eager to hit the beaches and the Caribbean Sea. The Splash Island Water Park can be found bobbing out along the shoreline of southern Gros Islet, where the yellow sands of Redouet Beach give way to the green dunes of the north. Made up of a series of inflatable rafts and walkways, bouncy castles, and obstacles, the attraction adds a dash of energy and fun to a day at the seaside, making it great if you're sick of lazy days of sunbathing and wallowing in the tropical heat. Kids especially will enjoy the climbing wall, the monkey bars, the rope bridges, and the trampolines, while that out-at-sea volleyball court is always a real hit. This is a great attraction for families where guests can enjoy countless fun things to climb and leap over in the water. Please share your views about this video in the comment section. Do hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from around the world. We at Fine Travel carry out a lot of research and talk to officials, residents, and travel guides to give you information that is true and accurate to help you find the best locations in the world where you can settle or visit. We are committed to providing you with the best possible information about pros and cons of different places around the world, so you can make an informed and sensible choice about where to reside or settle. Thanks for watching. Eat, sleep, travel, and stay calm.